Okay, Google, tell me a frozen story.
Okay, getting frozen stories.
Hello, stranger. I'm Olaf. Come, sit down with me and my friends by the fire. We're telling stories.
Come join us and have some hot cocoa. I'm Anna, and this is my sister Elsa.
Hello, it's very nice to meet you.
And the guy over there grooming the reindeer is Kristoff.
Hey, these pine needles aren't gonna brush themselves out.
Okay, time for another story. New friend, you pick. Who would you like to hear a story from?
Olaf.
Oh, I remember a story I read about the spirits of nature protecting Arendelle.
Okay.
I found this story in one of those long poems in the library.
Oh, one of the old sagas?
Yep. A long time ago, in a land not too far from here, a king named Gorm expanded his kingdom by conquering all the surrounding lands.
Ugh, bad neighbor.
Not only that, royal power wasn't enough for old King Gorm. Oh no, he also wanted magical power. Kind of like you, Elsa.
I was born with my powers, Olaf.
Yep. And you're a good neighbor, which I know because I live down the hall from you. Anyway, King Gorm studied legends and talked to wise people in his search for magic. Then one day he set sail with his longship fleet for Erin Fjord. That's here, by the way. Did I not make that clear enough? See, it wasn't called Arendelle back then.
We got it, Olaf.
Oh, okay. Could you gasp or something next time so I know? Anyway, where was I? Oh, right. As the longship fleet sailed inland up the fjord, King Gorm could barely contain himself.
Nice rowing, Snorri. Great form. Come on, Harold, pick up the pace. Teamwork makes the dream work. And so on and so forth. Steady as she goes, Captain Magna. How are we looking?
As you can see, sire, I'm bringing the fleet up the fjord. Sire, may I ask the purpose of this expedition? Erin Fjord has no kingdoms to conquer.
Very astute, Magna. This is not a normal conquest. The legends of magic in these lands are real. For here, nature's spirits do dwell.
I'm sorry, King Gorm. Are you telling me you brought your entire army, your entire fleet out to the middle of nowhere to look for fairy tales?
Oh, Magna, you lack vision. Once we subdue and tame these forces of nature, I will have unlimited power and all the rewards that come with it. And I imagine you guys will see some trickle down from that.
All right.
Magna, what's that sound?
It's coming from the cliffs above and getting louder, sire. Sailors change course. Hard to starboard.
On the starboard!
Fire's blazing down on us, sire. We just lost a ship.
What gargantuan creature is belching this infernal fury? It must be a nature spirit. Continue on, Captain Magna. Just, along that other steep coast, if you please.
Shall we go back to pick up the sailors overboard, sire?
Nah, they'll be fine. They can just swim to that shore and we'll get them on the way back. Or, you know, they can walk home.
Oh, yeah, right. Ah! What? Hard apart!
On aboard! Boulders raining down on us. Outstanding! We must be close.
Where are they coming from? Torsten! It's headed right for you!
Good also, guys. That's why we do the safety drills. What, Magna? Don't give me that look. Just stay the course. Elsa, does wind normally change this quickly?
A storm! Come about!
Come about? What does that mean?
I've lost sight of the fleet! We're turning back!
No! No! I order you to stay the course! I want my magic... Whoa! Phew. What? Are we back to sea? Magna, steer us back up that fjord!
Sire! What's that thing barreling towards us?
Oh, it's away! It's just... Magna! Come out! Come about!
And King Gorm was never quite the same after that. He lost his kingdom, and I think his hair turned white. But he did take up whittling. Then he carved wooden toys for children. Isn't that nice? I think so.
Wow. Great story, Olaf.
Oh, thanks, Anna. Elsa, what do you think?
I think the spirits of nature have been protecting Arendelle for longer than we could know.
Goodbye, new friend. We hope you'll come back again for more stories.